So as promised, I came back with the video so y'all can know exactly what was going on and how I found these beautiful jewels. My mama is 76 years old. She lives with my brother. We're getting rid of her storage. Of course, I had to go through her things to make sure, we weren't throwing anything away of value, anything that could not be replaced, things of that nature. I came across a box and it had like old pictures, like she had her yearbook in there. So I was just like, let me just go through this stuff and make sure that nothing else is in here that is sentimental to her. I came across this jewelry bag and I remember this jewelry bag because she would keep it in a drawer. And I remember seeing that as a little girl. I'm 40. So just imagine how long she's been holding on to these jewels. Pissed because I could have been playing all this time. But these are my favorites. So we're going to start off strong, okay? These are clip-ons. Now, I believe all of this is costume jewelry because I was trying to look on the bottom and the back of it just to make sure it didn't say 14K or anything like that. This ring I have worn a few times and I featured it before. It is, I believe, 10K, 14 carats. It's 14 carats and then it has like a yellow stone. So I just wanted y'all to see that it's gorgeous, guys. I wear it all the time. It's my new favorite ring. And so now I have some new favorite earrings. Yes, mama. Mama did her thing. Okay, and then we have these like golden pearl. She was a pearl girl. These are real pearls. And then you have this one. It's the same. It's more of a choker vibe. Mama, you got some taste, honey. But mind you, she don't wear none of it. And a lot of this is costume jewelry, so please don't get your panties in a bunch on my video and be like, this isn't real. I know it's not real. Chill, okay? Chill. So to stay in the gold family, we have some costume pieces as well. A lot of this stuff is costume pieces, so I don't know what's real. I don't know what's fake, but it don't matter because it lasts. This is the thing. All of this is costume, and it still has lasted all these years. Our stuff is not worth a damn. Okay? My stuff be tarnishing overnight sometimes. Get into it. Get into it. Baby, this is being made right now. It's so pretty, guys. And I was just like, mama, like, I'm keeping this. I'm sorry. I'm that girl of the family. Nobody else appreciates stuff like this. My favorite necklace has not been worn because it has a tag that says made in China, so you know it was made in China. And I'm like, girl, when you bought this stuff? Because I ain't know nothing about it. But this is my favorite piece. Y'all, look at this. Look, look. Look at the material. If y'all can find this, I don't know if you got to take a snapshot and send it to Google search, but it's so pretty. This is no filter, guys. It's just a light, no filter. So we got bangles. This little bangle, it's cute. This one's tarnishing a little bit, and then this one's fully tarnished, but I believe that, ouch, this one was already like that brassy gold. So I'm gonna clean this stuff, and because I haven't even cleaned this ring, and I found this ring like 2-3 years ago, but I'm gonna clean this stuff and I'm gonna see it to its full potential. We have a brooch. That brooch is beautiful, guys. I can't wait to put this on a suit. She has this suit jacket. Wait till I show y'all the suit jacket. Now, mind you, my mom was dressing very boring for the last couple years. So the things that she had that were good, I never knew of. I came across a dress and it was kind of like this material. And It was from H&M. My mama ain't been to no H&M. So I was like, girl, is this my dress? And she said, you bought me that. So I was like, oh, okay, you can have that. You can have. But I came across some other pieces, and I'm just like, girl, you was Jackie O in your former life. What the hell? Why did I know about this? And then look at this brooch. Oh my God, this brooch is beautiful. All right, guys. So when I found this ring, I also found this ring. It's a butterfly ring, and it's so cute. I broke it though. I sat on it, and now I'm pissed off because I gotta get somebody to fix it. If you know somebody that can like fix stuff like this, let me know, because this is so cute. And it's like a little vintage piece. And then these silver earrings are so cute to die for. This necklace is gonna be cute as the first lady to the Jazz game. So any coaches out there, holla at your girl. I'll be there tomorrow working. And then just some fun pieces. So we got some fun pieces. I can see this like with the off the shoulder dress or something, and just some studs like this, and then this necklace be the statement. That's what I was thinking when I stole it. Girls, here's some more girls. But this one was so cute because, okay, so this one is a necklace. It's like a choker. Or you can add this to make it longer as a necklace, right? But I had the idea to just wrap it around and wear it as like a really thick bracelet. What y'all think? Y'all let me know if I'm just doing the most, because I really love these pieces. I love to have fun, and I have not been feeling myself lately with the clothes, with the weight I've gained, with girl, life been lifing. So I just wanted to have fun again, and I feel like God was just showing me, girl, use what you got, and what I have is what my mama had. So tell me in the comments, what was your favorite piece? And let me know if y'all want to see if I can find some more treasures in my mama's garage.